YouTube can be a great source of passive income. However, creating content for YouTube is not easy. You need to write a video script and then record the video using a high-quality camera, while recording your voice with a good microphone. After all of this, you need to invest time and effort into video editing. It's a time-consuming and expensive task, but with just a few clicks, you can create the same video with minimal effort. Sounds interesting? Then watch the video until the end. I will cover the entire process of creating a faceless YouTube video with the help of artificial intelligence. So without further ado, let's dive in. In today's video, I will use Faceless AI for creating a video. It's text-to-video generator AI tool. I will put the link in the description below. First, we have to create an account on Faceless. Simply click the Sign Up button and create a free account with your Google or email account. After creating your account, you will find 4 options. The first one is create a video with the help of AI. And the second one is to edit your existing video and create short video from a long video. The third one is screen record. You can record your screen with it as like myself. And the last one is recording video with a webcam. Today we will create a video with AI. So click on the Create Video button. On the next page you will find another 5 options. First, the idea to video. These tools allow to create video with just a single idea prompt. Next, text to video. If you already have a script, then you should use this option. Then blog to video. That means you can create a video from a blog post URL. After that, it is audio to video. If you have an audio clip and want to convert it to a video, then this tool is for you. Just upload the audio and Faceless will analyze the audio and will create a captivating video. And the last one is a true AI-based video editor. Here you can edit your existing video with the help of AI. Today we will use this option also. Before that, let's create a with AI. As I have no script or audio clips for creating video, I am selecting the idea to video tool. Now give a prompt. Try to give more instructions such as what kind of script you want, the script tone and the elements. Otherwise it will generate an ordinary script. For generating a great script, give detailed prompts. Okay, I am generating a horror mystery story. After giving the prompt, click on Generate Video. Now Faceless AI will take a few minutes for generating your script and visuals. Alright, our video has been generated. Review the video. If you are satisfied with the video, but I always suggest customizing the video. And for customizing the video, click on the Edit button. The Faceless AI video editor works on the storyboard model. In the left panel you will find your script. At the bottom you will find the scene. Faceless AI adds its branding intro and outro. You can delete the intro and outro. For deleting the intro, simply the intro and then click on the 3-dot menu and delete it in the same way. Delete the outro. Also on the left side of the screen you will find the Tools panel. Suppose you want to change the footage of any blocks. Then select the blocks and then click Media on the Tools panel. There are a vast number of stock footage available here. Some of them are only for paid subscribers. If you don't want to buy the subscription, then select only free footage. You can search for any footage. Once you find your desired image, click on this video footage and a preview pop-up will appear. If you are satisfied with the footage, then hit the Confirm button. If you are a free user, I will recommend for change all of the footage and selecting only free footage. Alright, let's move on to the next tool. In the audio tool you can add or change the background music of your video. You can change the voice model of the voiceover. There are more than 100 voice models available here. Then in the style you can change your video aspect ratio and can change your scene background. And the last tool is the text editor tool. You can edit the caption with it. But I will generate the caption with another awesome tool. So I will turn off the subtitle option now. Alright, after completing editing, let's export the video. Before that, if you don't like the script or video visual, then you can regenerate the video. A preview option is also available here. Okay, hit the export button for exporting the video. There is a problem as I am a free user and some of the premium footage used in my video, so I have to regenerate the video with free footage for this reason. I told you previously that if you are a free user, then you should change all the premium footage with free footage. Okay, our video has been regenerated. Now click on the export button. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. Alright, our video has been exported successfully. Click on the three-dot menu form here, and select Download to save the video on your device. After downloading the video, go back to the Visual homepage and select Create Video. Again on the next page, select Video with Voice. Now upload the video generated by Visual AI. After successfully uploading the video, you will redirect it to this page. On the left side, you will notice the transcript of your video. You can create YouTube shorts from this transcript, but we will make a full-length video. So I am clicking on Refine Video button. It will redirect us to the editor page. And we are familiar with this. But the difference is now we can add B-roll footage in our video. And with B-roll footage we can make our video more fascinating. For adding B-roll footage, select line by line from transcript text. I will suggest selecting every line in footage if possible. It will make our video more captivating. After selecting the text line, click on Footage Recommendation and then select a free footage. Don't add premium footage in this way. Add B-roll footage all over the video. After completing the process, go to the Text tab and turn off the subtitle. Now click on the Export button for exporting our video. Once the video is exported, download it as the same process we have done before. Now we will add subtitles to the video. For this I will use a free online video editor, CapCut. After coming to CapCut, click on Create New and select Blank Canvas. Now upload the video we have generated just now. Oh, I forget to delete the visual intro and outro last time. Don't worry, we will delete it with CapCut. Just select the intro position and split the video. Then delete the intro section. After that, delete the outro in the same way. Now come to the Tools window on the left side and select Caption. Now select the Auto Caption. You have to select the language of your video. You can generate subtitles in more than 120 languages in CapCut. After selecting the language, hit the Generate button. CapCut generated the caption within a second. Now we have to customize the caption to make it more stunning and readable. Select one caption and go to the right panel. Here you will find 4 options. Select the basic, then change the font and font size. Then change the font color. If you want, you can add a stroke effect to make the subtitle visible all time. After that, click on Animation and select an animation for your subtitle. After all is set, export the video. CapCut works very fast. Our video has been exported. Now download the video and then upload it onto your YouTube channel and earn passive money. Alright, our video has been uploaded to YouTube. Let's enjoy the video. In a small secluded town, 2 friends, Sarah and Mark, decide to explore an abandoned mansion that is rumored to be haunted. They cautiously enter the creaking front door, their hearts pounding with anticipation. As they venture deeper into the mansion, the atmosphere becomes increasingly eerie. Shadows dance on the walls and the sound of distant whispers sends shivers down their spines. Sarah and Mark stumble upon a room filled with old photographs and newspaper clippings. The images depict tragic events that occurred in the town years ago, fueling their curiosity and fear. As they continue their exploration, Sarah and Mark hear a sudden loud crash from upstairs. Their hearts race as they cautiously ascend the staircase, unsure of what awaits them. How was the video? Let me know in the comments section. In this way you can create more than 20 videos per day. Alright friends, I will wrap up today's video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating videos with Visual AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.